How to fix two OneDrives showing in File Explorer. So if you open up File Explorer and notice two identical OneDrive shortcuts pinned to your left navigation sidebar, both opening in the exact same files, and makes your workspace feel cluttered, this usually happens after a Windows update or when a relinked account leaves behind a phantom shortcut. So I'm going to show you how to clean up that duplicate OneDrive entry step by step. Okay, and before touching system registry keys, let's try a soft reset to see if OneDrive can clean up its own sidebar shortcuts automatically. So you just go ahead and let me just show you guys my main panel. So you go ahead and open up your settings right here. Then you go settings once again, settings. Then you open up this account tab and then click on unlink this PC. All right, and then the next thing we will do is just press Windows plus R. You will get this window pop up. And in here, we need to just search for our OneDrive. Okay, file the executable, right click, copy as path, insert it here, remove quotation marks, then press /reset. Okay, and then press OK. And then after this, guys, you just need to go ahead and open up your settings once again, and then sign in with your account again, and this should fix that duplicate shortcut. Okay, and now if they are still sitting in the sidebar, the leftover entry is hard-coded into your Windows registry, and those settings need to be removed. So press on Windows plus R again. You'll have this window, and then type in regedit. Sorry, that was a wrong command. Regedit. And you will have this window pop up right here. Alright guys, and here we are searching for this string. Right here. Inside the path. Right, and click on the namespace folder. It should be selected already to expand the subkeys. And then click through each folder key on the left panel while checking the data column on the right side. If you spot two separate folder keys that both list OneDrive or OneDrive Personal, right-click that extra duplicate folder and delete it. Right-click and delete. And that's pretty much it. These fixes should help you. Enjoy, guys.